What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at another sound bar, but this one's a little bit different from the other ones that we've looked at. This one is a much smaller sound bar from ELEGIANT. This is the Midas 2.0. This is a very small sound bar, but the reason why this is so small is because this is actually made for computers. The idea is to set this like right underneath your monitor, and maybe you just don't have the space for a big sound speaker setup for your computer. This is actually a pretty cool little way of going about it. Now this has two 3-watt speakers built into it. Now it's saying that it has fantastic and crystal clear sound. This thing also has a pass-through for headphones, so if you want to just go ahead and plug in some headphones, you could just do that straight from the sound bar, so that's pretty cool. This thing is anti-magnetic, anti-noise, and it's got an HQ chipset. Hopefully it is well equalized, but let's just open this thing up. Alright, so we got a somewhat large instruction manual, probably multilingual. Yeah, it is multilingual. We're probably not gonna need that. Wow, that is way more compact than I thought. Oh, that is clean looking. Ooh, I like that. Unique design makes the sound. We're looking at about 5-foot cables, microphone and speaker for headphones. And then of course it is powered by USB. So on the back you've got your microphone and your headphone jack. You got your volume knob on the top. It's got a nice little on-off snap. I'm guessing that's the light right there for it. On the bottom you've got these nice little feet, very soft padding. It's a very small, compact design. I'm kind of digging it. Would definitely fit perfect under a monitor. All right, that's enough. Let's plug this thing in. There we go. So when you turn it on, blue light comes on. There is no bass. Let's try bass boosted. Let's just hear if there's any bass at all. Nah, there's no bass. All right, let's try Good Mythical Morning. Let's go with sound quality. I'm not surprised that there really isn't any bass. This thing doesn't look like it would have much bass anyway.
It's movies after Google is translated by Google, and then we play the game.
It does have good sound quality.
Yes. But first up today, we're going to play a game that
it doesn't get super loud. All right, let's do a Dolby surround sound test. It is very directional. Okay, I've heard enough. I'm not sure, I'm not sure. It's not the best sound bar I've ever heard. I've never actually messed with one this small of this size. For 30 bucks, I don't think that's terribly bad. It does deliver good enough sound for your everyday stuff. So watching a video, you could probably, still enjoy it. Playing a game, don't expect any kind of like 3D surround sound sort of feel from this. It doesn't really project sound in that way. It definitely looks really clean. So sitting in front of a monitor, it will look really nice. It has decent volume. It's not gonna blow your ears out. It is elegant, I will say that. It would make a setup look really nice if you don't have the room for bigger speakers or the budget. It's a little on the kind of like a hollow end. So listening to Rhett and Link, it was pretty clear, but it still had kind of like a little hollowness sound to it. It's very directional. You can definitely tell that it's coming from the speaker. Again, there's no surround sound of any kind. Highs and mids, I would say I would give it like a good 7 or an 8. Between a 7 and an 8 for sound quality. Bass is like a 2. Like a 1 even. There's no bass. Bass boosted didn't really do anything. So if you're looking to get something like this, or at least this one, and you're looking for that real full-bodied surround sound, vibrant sound, you're not gonna really get that out of this. This is definitely made for more of, you just need some speakers and you need something that'll get the job done. Maybe you're in an office or something like that. This would be really good for something like an office. This would be perfect for your everyday computer use. Again, if you're in the, excuse me, I'm trying to wrap up a video here. What's going on? What's going on over here? Oh, Amazon delivered a new package to me. Fantastic. Okay, again, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. You guys go check it out for yourself. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.